Hi guys, and today I have Coco and Layla joining me today.
And today we are going to be doing some good slimes and some bad slimes reviews. We have
My
1,
slimes.
2, 3, 4, 5. No, one of them's mine and one of them's hers. And
Coco's.
let's get straight onto the video. Okay, so the first one we are going to review is this one.
It's called
Ball Slime
by
and it's Coco's. So this is what it looks like.
Oh my
And it's wait. And we're gonna do
Coco.
ASMR. I think that's how you say it. The ASMR at the end.
Let's Coco.
We're going to have some. Raya gets to play with that one, and then we're going to review it at the end out of 10.
Coco's.
I think I'm going to give it 100. It's actually really, really good.
Yeah, you put too many balls in there.
I know, that's why I called it ball slime. Right. Guys, and now I'm going to do an ASMR. Coco shush and Raya shush.
You're like the boss.
I know. Okay, so shush, I'm going to do an ASMR. I think that's how you say it. Sorry if you can't hear it, it's a bit quiet.
Because the radio's on. Turn it off then. You go turn it off. Get your butt up.
There's so much balls.
Can I have my slime back? No.
Yes. Okay, so out of 10, I'm going to rate it a 7.
I'm going to give
it.
it.
Rate it?
I'm going to rate it.
Has to be out of 10.
Okay. I don't know.
I give it a 9.
I'm going to give it an 8.
Yay!
Nice. Ah! Sorry. I have a very hurtful ear.
Why'd you shout?
Because it hurts, man. What would you do when it hurts?
Okay, Coco, what do you rate out of it?
I give it a 9.
Okay.
A 9 from Coco.
So, now she's going to put it back in the container. And we're going
We haven't touched these for years.
back on to
next
the sand slime.
Okay, I'm going to dip my hands
And
in it.
we're going to dip our hands in it.
I'm
It
not
looks so gross.
It's like so liquidy. I haven't
Right, I'm
like played
going
with
to
that
see
for,
it.
like, oh.
That is gross.
Oh my god.
Oh, it stinks.
Let me smell.
Oh.
Ah!
Oh my god,
They're
Rhea.
like standing there. Oh.
Oh, wait, let's put some
That smells so
borax in it. Right, I'm gonna put some borax in it and see if it works. Should I mix it with a spoon?
No, I'm gonna mix it.
Oh my god! Oh, it stinks like wet mud. It
This
really
is from the
smells
actually.
bad.
This is from actual sand.
Ugh.
This is actually sand, by the way. I got this from the beach. Oh,
That's probably why it stinks. It's probably like moldy or something.
Oh, gross!
It's turning into slime, I guess.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
So am I. I'm going to
Get a tissue!
put a bit more in, and then I'm going to mix it with a spoon because
This is the worst one ever.
I'm not touching it.
There's so much sand.
I think it would be like a good slime if like
It was made.
It was good.
It was really good. It was really good when
it really stinks. It's making me feel a bit sick.
Oh, don't talk about sick.
Oh, I touched it. That's so gross.
Yeah, I know.
This is what it looks like. It looks a bit like.
Throw it on the floor. Don't throw it on the floor.
I don't know what it looks like. Seriously, it basically
Disgusting.
looks like sandy muck.
Okay, I actually. Oh, disgusting.
Oh, it smells so bad. Stinks bad. I can't even explain. I'm not exaggerating, but it literally does.
It does not hurt. Where is the tissue?
I don't know.
Up your bum.
Like, look at it now. Like, it's turning into slime, but it's still super gross.
Oh my gosh, my ear.
I think we need like freshener in here or
Do I
something.
look green? I feel like I look green.
She doesn't look green.
You know, let me see. Ah, yeah, you don't look green. Thank you.
Look, it's turning into slime again.
Your face looks green.
How long ago have you touched?
Oh! You've been slammed. Where's the tissue?
I've been boraxed.
Let me put some borax.
Yeah, we really need some in this. How long ago have you touched it and played with it? Because it actually stinks bad.
Like a month ago.
Well,
I made it like a month ago.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna have to do like this is actually.
That should be in the next video.
Slime.
Yeah, in our next video, maybe.
This could actually be a good slime.
I'm gonna wash my. But I doubt that. I just doubt that.
No, but it actually is working kind of good. So hopefully, hopefully it will.
Close paint, please.
Oh yeah, and comment down below which one's your favourite slime. This is number 2.
After we do this video. Like slime.
Oh, I'm gonna get it out now. Oh my gosh. It feels horrid. It feels like.
Can I feed her?
Oh! Coco, stop it. Wait, Coco, shush, I'm gonna do an ASMR. This is actually really good.
You're putting it in the borax.
I can't wait to rate it out of something. It needs borax, like. Badly.
Lot of it.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Look at it! Wait, is that you? Did you just make it? Oh my gosh,
Yeah,
it came back.
I just
to
made
the
it good.
I know. When you like have it before,
Oh, it really stinks.
I know, but it's really good. It feels really good.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, it stinks.
Smell it now. It's really bad.
Oh,
Is it the borax that stinks? Is it
No,
the
it's
sand?
not.
It's the
Actual
slime.
sand.
Ah.
I think it's the sand.
yeah, it is. That's
Let's wipe this up so none of the other slimes get too much borax.
Oh, disgusting.
I rate that.
I'm rating that as a 1.
I'm going to rate that as a 3.
I rate that as a 0. It's disgusting. Yeah. Oh,
It really
I
is,
don't like that.
right. But why did you rate
It feels nice, but it smells disgusting.
I know. Wait, Rhea,
Yeah.
get some tissue. We can wipe our hands on that so we don't have to keep going.
No, my hands are already green.
Wow.
Okay,
That one was really bad, so I'm just going to like fling that all the way over there. It stinks.
What about the red slime now?
Yeah, now we are going to do this one. It's called the red bubble gum, and it actually looks amazing. It
And
looks silky. So we're going to have a look.
And I think it feels really nice. I hope it
Oh my god!
Wait.
Oh my god, this is actually amazing.
I just banged my foot on that. Oh my god.
I'm going to do.
I'm not really in this video.
Try
I'm just going
this.
out and in, out and in. Isn't it?
Oh, wait, everybody, you get a piece, and you get a piece, and
That's
now
tiny.
we're going to do an ASMR.
Yeah, I think
I love this slime.
So do I. I think I'm
Look
gonna
at
get
it,
it.
it's so silky. I know what I'm rating this so badly.
So same. Are we gonna rate
Such
it
a
now?
good slime. Not yet.
Can I have a
Did
little
you
bit
hear
more?
those bubbles? Like, amazing.
I know. This look how much I've got.
That's why it's called the bubblegum slime, obviously. But
Because it looks like chewing gum and bubble gum and fruity
Oh, I'm halfway out of the video. Oh yeah,
Hey,
just
no,
saying,
no.
I dyed my hair blue. So yeah.
How would they actually believe that? Because they wait,
And-
turn around and show them your hair.
No, they just seen it.
You glowy hair.
Oof.
Yeah, the bin is like filled with all the
Slime
tissues.
tissues.
Yeah.
Like actually, guys, this is really good.
It's really Yeah, I think I know what I'm gonna get. This was like my first ever slime I made.
If we have time later, we might do a shout out to someone.
No.
But maybe.
Shall we? Shall we? No, we're not gonna do it.
I'm going
Only
to
if you
shout
comment
out.
down, I love Raya. Hashtag I love Raya. Do that, do that. Then you have a shout out in the next video.
Which you have till tomorrow to do because and
Well, they won't really know because we don't make maybe it won't be like they won't download now. Like anyways, we'll talk about this later.
Yeah.
In the
and look at that, it's actually really stretchy. Guys, this is amazing. I'd actually steal this, like in the shop. If it was in the shop, I'd steal it. It's
No,
amazing.
you're not stealing this from me.
Like, it's
you have to go
actually silky.
seriously, guards.
It smells really nice. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Like, watch this. It just melts. It's a butter slime.
yes. No, it's a foamy slime.
God, yeah, it's a foamy / butter slime.
Yeah.
And I'm going to. Look at that. Okay, now we're going to do an. Now we're going to do an ASMR.
It was a bunny ear, not the thing.
We're going to do an ASMR because it sounds amazing. Wait, let's do it. We're doing an ASMR.
You know, I can see my.
We're going to film the ASMR. Sorry guys, I just put my finger in the way.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Can you see that? I don't know if you can. Yeah, there.
Yeah, they can see it.
So cool. It's amazing. Like, it's really silky.
Like my other.
Like,
It does turn your hand red.
really good. Yeah, it does. But
Look.
it's still amazing. Oh my gosh, Raya.
Sorry.
Get me in. Okay, now we're going to rate it.
There you go.
I rate it a 10 out of 10 because it's amazing. Oh my gosh, we can't see our heads. There you go. I rate it a 10 out of 10. It's too good for like a 0 because
I think I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 9. Yeah, that's the 9 out of 9.
I need a 9 out of 10. It's really good slime.
I'm gonna do 9 out of 9. 9.
Oh my gosh, then we're gonna show you what Not yet.
Oi!
Not yet.
Slime.
And we're going to show you the colour with our hands in a minute.
Yeah.
In it goes. It's actually really good. It isn't sticky or anything. This is how red my hands are. I don't know if you can see, but yeah.
Yeah, they're quite red after you play with that slime.
Now, that was the third one. Now for number 4.
Hey, give me that.
It's Raya's slime and it's called Rainbow. Coco's, mine, and Raya's look the same because we use the same stuff. But yeah, but they all feel.
Let's take it.
Wait, we're gonna take a little bit each. Yeah.
Oh my god, there's so many balls
There's
in
so much foam beads.
Let me feel. Pass. Okay. Okay. Ooh.
This is actually really good.
I've got more.
There's
more
loads
beads
of
than
it. Oh
I've got more beads than everyone.
I'm gonna see if it like spreads with a spoon. No, it looks horrible like that. Really, really not good.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh my
I got some of the sand slime on.
This isn't stretchy as you can see.
You're
Most of the
balls all
foam
over
beads
the place.
come out like
Oh
flip.
I think I might
Yeah.
give this. I know what number I'm gonna.
I know what I'm
give
gonna give this. Like, now we're going to do an ASMR.
Really, seriously.
So we're gonna do it for everyone. Well, every slime because then it's better.
Hey, why are you not putting anyone in
because
mine?
That's alright.
I'm the expert here.
You're really not, Coco.
Okay,
It's like
going up slowly.
I'm going to do the lonely poke. Lonely.
I am Lola. Walking
doesn't-
down the street with
It
a ball.
It clicks pretty good. Okay, now we are going to rate it. I rate it a 6 out of 10 because
I'm giving
it's
that.
not stretchy and there's too many beads in it. I give
thought you knew what number you were gonna get.
I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, what do you rate your own slime, Raya?
I'm gonna rate my own slime as
My slime is a 10.
8 out of 10.
At least she's honest. Like, see this beautiful face.
Yeah, you guys are crazy. Oh, thank you.
That was number 4.
And then
So
the last one.
the last one is mine. And it's
gonna be
called
the one.
Candy Crush because it looks like candy.
I
Even though we're in
named that
England,
to
I still
yours.
call it candy because this is what it looks like with Raya's poking it. It's like really hard at the top.
No, let me get mine. I'm gonna get
Lola,
mine.
it's amazing. Oh my gosh, look, it just doesn't want to come out of the thing.
Can I feel
Like,
yours?
wait. Okay, so mine, I'm going to give you some.
Ow.
Hold on. I'm going to give you
This
some.
is farting slime, everybody.
I'm going to give you some behind the tissue.
Wait, where's my slime?
Wait, Coco.
Where's my slime,
Hold
Lola?
on a minute. And this is the ASMR
Wait, give me,
with all
give
of
me
the
a-
slimes together. So wait,
Man.
no, take your slime out because they're all made of the same thing, and we're going to do an ASMR together, so it sounds louder. So move everything out of the way. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, sad. It's
I think I
really
can
gross.
smell
Oh my
it
gosh.
again.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Let me turn it, the radio.
Ow! Don't do it like that. And she's poking at the spoon. Okay, wait. We're not doing it.
Everybody ready? Steady.
Wait, put yours into a ball. Put it into a ball. We're just rolling it out. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
I don't think it's sounding louder.
It is.
Let me just.
Guys, later we might do the blindfolded make slime challenge.
Oh! Tomorrow, maybe.
No, because I'm going home tomorrow. Like
Really,
early.
really early. Because my mum said you're going on holiday really early. Oh,
So we're going to do it later, yeah? We can do it later in our pot. Anyway. Yeah, so I
going to
rate, out of 10, I rate mine a 10 because it's amazing.
I give mine
It's
a 10.
not eggy.
I give mine an 8. You guys are cheating. You just want to win.
Okay,
give mine a 9. I give mine a 9 out of 10.
Right.
Wait, 10, 9, 8. 7, 6, 5, 4,
Okay,
3,
so I'm
2,
going to
1,
put mine
0.
in the Candy Crush pot.
Where's my...
Okay, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed
No,
this
we go-
video. Bye.